That's activated charcoal and sand, rocks. That's damn near perfect, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show y'all how I pay $0 for my water here in rural Colombia. If you don't know me, my name is Chris Wolf. I'm from California and I built my life in rural Colombia, and I show you how you can do it too. Vamos pues. All right, let's begin with where does the water come from? We dug a hole all the way through our neighborhood down that way, and it comes from an aqueduct that the community built together. We all put together like something like around $275 each between like 8 or 10 families to buy all the materials we needed to have the infrastructure for all of the materials and the handwork. The water arrives to this tube and it gets routed back this way. I'm going to take you all to the other side. All right, so the tube goes here. We control it through these valves. The pressure goes upwards actually, and we can turn on and off here how it enters our house through under the ground here. We have two. This controls the water downstairs and this one controls the water upstairs. So there's the tubes y'all just saw. And as the water pressure goes and builds up, it carries water up here. And it continues to flow to our tanks. So the first place the water arrives is the first level of the filter. And it's designed very similar to a toilet. Anyways, the water flows from here down to the next filter, which this is really proud of this one. We have multiple filters. We have down here sand, rocks, activated charcoal. Look here. That's activated charcoal and sand, and multiple layers of filtration. Even lower we've got other rocks. Look down there, rocks. So the water ends up super clean, guys. Y'all are gonna be shocked with how clean it is. I would even feel comfortable to drink it without boiling it, to be honest. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Super clean. Let's go inside and check it out. Now I know some of y'all are gonna say, well, your water's not free because you had to pay for the materials, the tubes, the tanks and all that stuff. Well, it's implied, guys. There are some upfront expenses, but after you've paid the upfront expenses and you have your system in place, we don't have a monthly bill. So let's just focus on the monthly cost of living. And after the system is in place, we don't pay anything for our water. All right, let's see how this water comes out. That's damn near perfect, guys. Just so I can demonstrate to y'all my confidence in my water filtration system. Normally we boil it, but I want to see how it tastes without boiling it. Look at that, guys. Spectacular. So there you have it, guys. Living in rural Colombia, one of the biggest advantages is you have your own water source. Clean water to drink and to bathe. I mean, come on, I'm bathing in a hot bath right now with 0 residual chemicals in it from a water treatment plant. And I don't have a bill. I don't have to go online and order cases of glass spring water. That is a huge expense by itself. So the fact that my family can cook, can wash our clothes, we can bathe, and we can drink pure water of the highest quality, it's alkaline, and you can't put a price on that. If you're a health-minded person, if you're health conscious, you know how important having a clean water source. So when I travel, I carry 3 or 4 liters of water with me just so I don't have to drink from plastic water bottles. So I don't have to drink from contaminated tap water sources, because I know that water is not clean, it's not pure. There's chemicals in it that I don't want in my body. That by itself is invaluable to me and my family. All right, guys, that's it. Let me know in the comments if y'all got any questions about our water system. I'll be happy to answer them. I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao pues.